In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up in Asana. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so even if you've never used Asana or any project management tool before, you'll be able to follow along easily. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar or search bar at the top, type Asana and press enter. This will bring up the search results page. Look for the official Asana website, which should appear near the top. You'll recognize it by the name Asana and a description mentioning work management or project management. Click on that result to go to the Asana homepage. Once the Asana homepage loads, take a moment to let everything appear on the screen. Near the top of the page, you should see a button or link that says Sign Up Now, or something very similar. This is what you'll use to create a new account. Go ahead and click on Sign Up Now. You'll now be taken to the sign up screen. Here, Asana will usually give you a few options for how you want to create your account. One of the most common options is to continue with your Google account. If you already use Google for work or personal email and you'd like to connect Asana to that account, you can click Continue with Google. This will open a Google sign-in window where you may be asked to choose your Google account and grant permission. Just follow the prompts on that screen if you choose that method. If you prefer not to use Google, or if your organization requires a company email, you can sign up using your work email address instead. Look for the field where you can type in your email. Click into that box, then carefully type your company email address. Make sure it's accurate and spelled correctly, since Asana may send a confirmation or verification link to that email. After entering your email, click the button to continue. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Asana may ask for a few basic details like your name, your role, your team size, or what you plan to use Asana for. It might also walk you through setting up your first workspace or project. Just move through each screen one step at a time, reading the instructions and choosing the options that best fit your situation. Once you've completed these prompts, your Asana account will be created and you'll be ready to start organizing your tasks and projects.